Hey guys, in this video we are gonna review this pedal, EVH Eddie Van Halen Overdrive. So, literally a pedal that needs no review.
Now the world don't move to the beat of just one drum. What might be right for you?
When you look at this pedal, you think, man, this looks awesome. So if you really want to hear the sound of this beauty, stay with me and we will find that out. So before I plug the pedal and start playing, I'm gonna have a look around in some general specs and characteristics of the pedal with you. So let's have a closer look at the pedal. We have here 5 knobs, which are output or volume. We have bass, we have mids, we have treble, and we have gain. Here you control how much distortion you want in your rhythm or in your lead guitar. We also have another small knob here, which is really interesting. It's a built-in noise gate. So depending on how you set this, it's really useful when you play live or when you are recording or playing with your friends and your gigs. I usually set this like that. I don't like to put all the way. Another very cool feature of this pedal is this other button here, which is a booster. So whenever you click this button, you're gonna add more distortion to this setup here. So it means that if you are playing with the distortion set like this and you add a booster, you will have more gain in your solos. So it's really useful and really powerful. It's a really cool feature. But one thing that it's interesting, it doesn't work like, if I turn it off and I add more gain here, it's not the same as I come back with the gain and add a booster here. Because this booster button, it works more like a second pedal, which works as a booster and add a second distortion to this one. And if I do not use the booster and just add more gain, I'm using only one distortion, like one drive. So the boost feature in this pedal is really cool and can add a really nice ambience with more distortion depending on the solo that you are playing. So here we have the power button that comes with a blue light here whenever you click in, and then at the back of the pedal we have the input, the output, and the power supply. So now I'm gonna plug this pedal on my guitars. I'm gonna play around. I'm gonna play a couple of songs, a couple of things in 3 different guitars, Super Strat, and Telecaster, so you guys can hear the difference between the guitars and how the pedal works in each one of them. So let's do it. So one of the not so good things about this pedal is that it's not cheap. It's a little bit expensive because, as you can see, it's a sort of signature pedal. It's customized with this charming design based on Eddie Van Halen's guitars, and we also have Eddie Van Halen's distortion in it, which is one of the most famous distortions in guitar history, and it's a very well built pedal. I think the price worth. I think it's a very nice pedal to have in your set. It's always on my pedal board. I never get rid of it. It's my favorite pedal at all. So, Eddie Van Halen's pedal. Our review is coming to an end. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you are subscribed to the channel, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about this pedal, what you think about the video. And if you are not subscribed yet, make sure to hit the bell button and stay tuned, because I'm gonna always bring content like that for you guys. So cheers, have a nice one, and thank you. See you soon.